next Miss Hawaii Filipina 2019.
I remember being that little girl sitting in the audience, watching the beautiful contestants, hoping that one day that would be me on stage. And every day of constant practice and walking in heels, practicing my speech, working on my talent, I always believed that I was one step closer to achieving that dream of mine.
You may be thinking, Miss Kauaʻi Filipina is just another pageant. All you have to do is walk around and look pretty. I wanted to feel the cultural experience and become closer to my heritage. I did this pageant to share a story, my mom's story.
Back in the Philippines, me and my parents would pick vegetables in the farm to sell at the market to fund for my college. My mom kept saying, "Aganos ka, ta aganos kami met." Be patient and we'll be patient too. I got the opportunity to use my beauty and brains in scholarship pageants to help out my family as well. I wanted to be able to attain higher education, to make my parents proud and create a better life for my future.
Just like my mom, as much as I wanted to go to the mainland for college, I knew how expensive it would be. To help out my mother, I was set on winning the Miss Kauaʻi Filipina scholarship to help pay for college. I also wanted to share with the audience how in my family, money was never the goal. It was their push to help further my knowledge, education, and myself. For my talent competition, I put myself in my mom's shoes, picking rice from the rice fields and showing the judges how much Filipinos are hard workers and how they persevere for their dreams.
But there were always times of discouragement. What if the judges see me but don't feel this determination in me?
I've had moments of self-doubt. I wanted to win so badly but felt so unqualified to sing and felt like I wasn't pretty enough. It also took a toll on me competing against friends because as much as I wanted to support them, I was set on achieving my goal to winning.
I felt most doubtful for my speech portion. I wanted to make sure the judges felt my passion and show them that I am worthy of this title.
And the money, of course. So,
On pageant night, I blanked out on stage in front of 800 plus people, the judges, the whole committee.
I cried my makeup off the moment I got off stage after my speech because in that moment I knew I lost my chances to achieving my dream of becoming Miss Kauaʻi Filipina. Although I was competing against beautiful and smart girls, I realized the only person I was actually competing against was myself.
I had so much support behind me and all I had to do was believe in myself more.
I believe I deserve to win Miss Kauaʻi Filipina because, like I said,
And it wasn't a matter of win or lose, but a matter of finding the Filipina I was. I am still the same go-getter, the same believer, and the same proud Filipina I began the pageant with.
Miss Kauaʻi Filipina.
At the end, I came out as first runner-up, which is not so bad for someone who forgot their speech on stage.
What I took from this experience was that Miss Kauaʻi Filipina is way more than getting a crown and sash. Being a part of this pageant taught me my heritage of cultural values of family, strong work ethic, and having a vision for the future.